Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. Hey, I'm just giving you guys our weekly garage talk. So let's just jump right to it. So as you guys know, we've got a bunch of install videos on the Camaro. We're actually waiting for some more parts to come in. We've got quite a few parts to still do some installs on that we haven't done yet. Just to kind of give you guys a little bit of a highlight of it, we have the SS blacked out emblems from That Jams Parts Guy, in which we're going to be doing an install video on. We also shot a lot of videos recently that we'll be doing install videos as well. It just takes a little bit of time to get it all edited and cut together, at least the way that we like to do it. So that is in the works as well. So let's just take a quick look and see what we have here. So far on the Camaro, we've done a whole handful of things. We've done the blacked out tail lights, the blacked out third brake light. We've got the Diode Dynamics LED side markers. We have the Phoenix Graphix hash marks, the Kn&n Black Hawk intake. We also recently did some installs on the front of the vehicle. We did the blacked out chrome strip by Zl1 Designs, the front fascia lower decal by Zl1 Designs as well. And again, we have videos on all of these installs, but what we're going to start doing is just incorporating some of these short videos. And I just wanted to give kind of a quick update on the Camaro. Some of the install videos that you guys haven't seen yet that we're working on is we ordered it from Zl1 Designs, the next couple of parts. We have the C7carbon Zl1 front splitter, and we've got the C7carbon Zl1 side skirts. Again, we ordered this from Zl1 Designs. Links for all of these products will be down below. And then as we do releases, we'll put cards up for all the videos we have out now, but over the next couple of months we'll be pumping out more of these. We also have the Zl1 push button on the inside. We have the Zl1 carbon fiber dash inlay. We have, let's look right here, tower decals. We did the Patriot American flag in the side windows in the back. So we've got a lot of stuff going on as far as the Camaro goes, and then we've got a lot of other cool things coming. We have a Zl1 Designs hood coming in and spoiler we're waiting for, and then once we get that stuff kind of situated, there's a bunch of other small add-ons we will be doing with the Camaro. Especially it's January now, so we have a few months until good old spring hits, which is great. I'm going to do a full detail on the car interior and exterior, and then of course get it all ready for springtime. And then we've got a bunch of really wicked ass plans for the Camaro during that time as well, obviously in spring. This is one of the many vehicles we have in the Wrenched Out Garage. We obviously have, let's go over here. Under this cover is the V-Rod, in which you'll see it featured quite a bit on here. And then here in probably the next couple of videos, I'll pull that guy out and show you what we're working on there and kind of dive into that just a little bit, just to kind of give you guys a sneak peek of our project bike that we're hopefully going to have running by next summer, 2018 summer. Anyways, so that just is kind of the Camaro update more than anything. We are going to try to do at minimum 1 to 2 uploads on the Wrenched Out Garage every single week. It's going to be a combination of things, whether it's an install video or just kind of an update. We've got some cool garage stuff we're going to go over as well. And a bunch of other plans. Hey, if you guys have any ideas or thoughts or any questions, or you want us to do a video on anything, make sure to drop it in the comments below. We also have our Facebook page, Wrenched Out Garage, and then we did just start a really cool Facebook group. Make sure and check that out. Let's see if I can actually show you. We just literally started it here. Let me Let me find it real quick. And it's the group. It's actually a group, and it's called the Garage Life. It's right there. Let's see if I can get the camera to. Oh, there it is. The Garage Life. I just started that. It's an open source group. So essentially it's what's in your garage, whether it's a car, motorcycle, go-kart, I don't care what it is. We don't care what it is. What's your setup? What are you looking to do? It's really just a group for just bullshitting about what you have going on, what your plans are. And then if you have the appetite or would like to share some photos or some videos, that's the place for it. So that is up and going. So make sure and check that out as well. We're just gonna cut it short and sweet today, guys. Hey, thanks for tuning in. And as always, make sure hit that subscribe button down below. And any questions, comments, anything, make sure, hit us up. Thanks for checking out the Wrenched Out Garage, and we are going to be dropping stuff every single week, so you got to subscribe. All right, be safe on the road, guys. Until next time.